guys, so இன்னைக்கு நம்ம longest consecutive sequence question. We want to going to see the longest consecutive sequence on LeetCode 128. So in this problem they give us the unsorted array of integers. Now let's return the longest consecutive element sequence length. So we want to write the algorithm which runs on order of n time. Okay, so look like the 10 power 5, so it's only run in order of n. Okay, it's also run in order of n11, but they prefer to do in order of n time. So it's okay, we can do in, so there is a method give us so 100. So in this problem I am going to solve using the set. So first this, so it's work like this. For example, there is 4 consecutive numbers, 4 1 2 3. In this sequence there is 1. Okay, it starts from 1 in 2 3 4. So now if I try to add this, okay, if I want to find the origin number. So in this sequence the origin number is 1. So how we can identify the origin? Because there is no previous element. That's the previous element of 1 is 0. So 0 is not in this array. Okay, for example, there is 7, also there is 6, okay, something like this, but there is no 0, so it is the origin of some sequence. So I will retrieve the sequence from that. Okay, 1. So now I can find that 1 is the origin. So now I can going to search whether the 2 is present or less. Yes, 2 is there. So after that I going to search the 3. So 3 is there. After that I going to search 4. So 4 is there. So the next I going to search 5. 5 is unfortunately not. So I will conclude there is the length of the maximum subsequence with the origin 1 is 4. So it is one of the possible answer. And next I will see there is a 6. Okay, so when see the 6, there is, I was going to check whether there is a previous element is there. No, 5 is not there, so it is one of the origin. So after that I find this is the origin, so I am going to search the next element, which is 7. So 7 is there. Next I am going to find the next element of this sequence is 8. So 8 is not there, so I am going to stop this sequence. So the length of the sequence is consecutive sequence is 2. So which is maximum? So 4 is maximum, so I am going to retrieve this 4. So this is the approach. So the same way I first add this all element to the set. So I first pick 100. So I will search the whether 99 is present or not. So 99 is not present. So 100 is one of the consecutive sequence origin. So 100, and just next I try to pick up the 101 which is there are present in set. So there is not present in the set. So I will say this is the one. So this consecutive sequence with 1. And next is 4. So I will try to execute the whether the previous element is there. So 4 minus 1 3. So 3 is already there. So 3 is present in the set. So I will do nothing. And 200. So previous 200 is 199. So 199 is not present in the set. So I will initiate this is consider this is the origin of the sequence. Next I will search 201. So 201 is not present. So I will skip that. So so consecutive sequence is 1. And there is 1. So there is 1 before that, there is a 0. So this is the origin. 0 is not present in the sequence set. So this is the origin of the sequence. So I will consider, so this, so first element of the sequence. Then I will next search whether 2 is present or not. So 2 is present there. And next I will search whether 3 is present or not. 3 is present there. And next 4. So for then 5 is not present. So I will end the sequence. So the maximum number of element I visited now is 4. And I will next I will move to 3. So 3 previous element is 2 already there, so I will skip that 3. And the 2 previous element is 1 is also there, so I will skip that. So now end there. So maximum which I've seen is 4 consecutive elements. So this is the one of the answer. So now we implement this into code. So first I need a set. So I will integer set, vector integer st num start begin. Okay, num start end. After that I want to I inserted all elements to set. So now I want to iterate to the array. So if I want to check whether if I minus st dot find I minus 1 equal to st dot n, which means that this is the origin number, so I can find the sequence. So I will check in this series equal to 0. So now I will iterate through the, so my current key is I. So now I will check whether, so to reduce time complexity, I will check it. So I will already find out this is the one of the sequence. This element also I is the sequence belong to the sequence. So I will try to search from the next element. So it will reduce just time complexity to less amount. So now I will check st.find key not equal to st.n, which means the key is already present. So I will increase the CTR and also increase the key value. Okay. So max length equal to max of max length comma current length. Okay, this is the CTR counter. Finally, I will return the CTR max length. Okay, I also declare the integer max length equal 0. Okay, it's perfectly good. I will just execute the program. So I will use example test cases. Oh, st.find no member find set is set. Okay, it's good. Pass the sample, so now I submit that. I found out the problem. If there are multiple duplicate elements, it will fail. So found or just iterate over the step. God, please let me know why there is no test cases for this. Okay, it is also saying that if there are lots of duplicate elements, so it will fail. So it will run more time. So it will take more time.